welcome to my channel. Spring is right around the corner, and in this video, I want to show you guys how I did this DIY bucket wreath using things that I bought from the dollar store and some things that I got from Walmart too. In this project, you will need a little bucket to serve as the flower pot, some moss, a different variety of flowers, and for this project I decided to add some onion grass too. Some ribbons. This ribbon I actually got from Walmart. And some jute cord. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is drill some holes on the bottom of the bucket. The reason why is because just in case you get a severe weather in your area, or if you get a lot of rains in your area, the water tends to get in the bucket and you don't want the water to get stuck in there. So by drilling holes, when the water gets in the bucket, it will just drain in the bottom. Next, you'll need to measure the ribbon around the bucket, cut the length, and then glue in place. Next, you want to get your jute cord, wrap it around the ribbon, and make a bow. This is optional, you don't really have to do this, but I think it's nice because it adds more character. You can also use another ribbon on top of the first ribbon, but I really like the looks of the jute cord for this. By gluing the jute cord to the ribbon helps to make sure that it will stay in place even on rainy days and windy days. Now, we're gonna take more of the ribbon and glue it on the inside of the bucket, and this will replace the handle that we just took off. I forgot to show this in the beginning of the video, but we are also using some floral foams for this project. Now it's time for the best part. Be sure to take your time when arranging the flowers. You don't want to just put the flowers anywhere. What you want to do is make sure that they look harmonious and pleasing to the eyes. Finally, the last part of this project is to add some floral moss to cover up the foam. Make sure that you glue them really good in there because you don't want them to go flying off when it comes to windy days. That's it, guys! Not only is this project so easy to make, but it is also very cost effective since majority of the things that was used here are from the dollar store. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos, please visit my channel, and if you want to see more of my future videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.